Hey beautiful, it's your girl Katie Ann, aka your virtual nail tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to measure your natural nails without a sizing kit. All you're going to need is a piece of tape, a pen, flexible measuring tape, and our measurement note sheet that you can find on our website to record your dimensions. I know for a lot of my beginners, measuring your nails may feel a little bit daunting, but I promise with this foolproof tutorial, you'll be able to do this in your sleep. Well, not in your sleep, but you'll be able to do it very easily. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. So all you'll need to measure your nails is some transparent tape, some flexible measuring tape with a millimeter side, and a pen. We have measuring notes on our website. You want to measure your nails from your thumb to pinky on both your left and your right hand. I'm going to do this one a little more in depth. I'm going to do it on my thumb. And you just want to take a generous amount of tape. We're going to cover our entire nail on our thumb. And as you lay the tape down, you want to take your fingernail and just push that tape into the sides of your nails. This is called our sidewalls. And you'll see me doing it right here. So I'm just tucking that in really well on both sides of my nails. Once you have your tape on nice and tight, you want to grab that pen and we're just going to mark a line on either side, on each side of our nail. Recommend using a thin line type of pen. I don't recommend using a marker because that can make it a little bit too thick and have your measurements off. So we're going to go ahead and do the same thing for the rest of our nails from our index to our pinky. Just taking the tape, applying it to all of the nails, making sure that we tuck the tape in nice and tight into our sidewalls, and go ahead and mark those lines. So now that my nails are marked, I'm gonna go ahead and grab that note sheet. Again, you can find it on our website. I'm gonna go ahead and put the tape in the column that says tape, starting from my thumb all the way to my pinky. Just make sure you apply it nice and secure. Now that we have our tape applied, we're gonna go ahead and take measurements in millimeters. So I'm gonna start with my thumb. I just count in fives just to make it easier for me. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. So my thumb is 17 millimeters. And we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of our nails now. So perfect. I have all the measurements for my left hand. Now I'm gonna go ahead and speed up through my right hand. Now remember, all you wanna do is apply some tape. Make sure the tape is nice and tight in those sidewalls. Grab that pen, make that mark, and measure it. Super simple, super easy, and this will help make sure that you have the perfect fitting nails. As you can see in this moment, my left hand is different from my right hand. My ring size on my left hand is 12 millimeters versus 13 millimeters on my right. So don't be freaked out if some of the numbers don't match for their respective nails on each side. It's okay to be unique, it's okay to be different. We just want to make sure that we're getting the perfect fit for both hands. So now that you have your measurements, all you have to do is go on our website, go under Nail 411, you want to click Find Your Fit. When you scroll down, you'll be able to see all the shapes and lengths that we have available. We have 13 to match your vibe and your lifestyle. And when you scroll down further, you'll see our preset sizes for small, medium, and large. And if you don't fit in those preset sizes, that's no issue. You just want to go ahead and look at the dimensions for each shape and length and put in your custom order. So you'll click custom when you check out, and you'll fill out your measurements in the notes to seller section from left hand to right hand, starting from your thumb to your pinky, and you'll be all set. Feel free to reach out via email at help@firstimpressionsnails.com if you have any questions or issues.